Hello little artists. Welcome back to mini study class. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. Are you ready for a new video? Today we draw a car. At first, we draw a straight line. Parallelly we draw some straight line. Next we draw the front side of the car. Then we draw wheels of the car. Then we draw window of the car. And we draw other parts of the car. A car is a vehicle with wheels that you can ride in. It has an engine that makes it go. Cars help us travel from place to place. We can use a car to go to school or the park. Cars come in different sizes and shapes. Red color. Some are small, like a compact car, and some are big, like a minivan. Cars have seats, so we can sit comfortably. You can choose from many colors, like red, blue, or green. Cars have windows, so we can look outside and see the world. They also have doors to get in and out. Some cars even have a radio to listen to music. Others have screens to watch movies or play games. We can use cars for fun trips or for running errands with mom or dad. Red color. Blue color. Cars help us get to places quickly and easily. They have headlights to see in the dark. Cars also have brakes to stop when we need to. Remember to buckle your seatbelt when riding in a car. Cars are fun to ride in and helpful for getting around. Always be safe and follow the rules of the road. Cars are a great way to explore the world and have adventures. Blue color. Yellow color. Yellow color. Thanks for watching. subscribe and like. Bye. Hello little artists. Welcome back to mini study class. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. At first, we took a black marker and start the drawing. Firstly, we draw two straight lines and made a plus shape. We draw a curve using that. Here we draw a semicircle on the top of the car. We draw very carefully. Next we draw the car wheel using circle shape. We draw a small circle into it. Next, it's time to draw another wheel using same process. First we draw a big circle, and we draw a small circle into it. We draw a straight line, and joined it to draw the face and back part of the car. Now it's time to coloring. We use red color to color the body part of the car. Cars are fun vehicles that many children love. Some cars are toys, like remote control cars. Cars have wheels that help them move. Many cars are brightly colored. Cars can be small or big. Toy cars can be pushed or driven. Some toy cars have lights and sounds. Cars can be used to go on adventures. Children can pretend to be race car drivers. Red color. Cars help with coordination and balance. Ride-on cars make playtime more exciting. Cars can take us to different places. Some cars are electric and good for the environment. Cars can be a part of a child's imagination. We use sky blue color for coloring the window glass of the car. Toy cars can be collected and raced. Cars are a popular toy for many children. Some cars are designed to look like real cars. Cars can be a source of joy and entertainment. Children can learn about different car models. Cars are a fun part of childhood. We ice yellow color to color the wheel of the car. Yellow color. black color. Green color. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye. Hello little artists. Welcome back to mini study class. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. At first, we took a black marker. Now, we start the drawing. First, we draw a straight line. Parallelly, we draw another straight line. And join this too. Here, our roof drawing is completed. Now we draw two straight lines parallelly. And this is the wall of the house. Then we join two straight lines. And parallelly, we draw a big straight line. Next, we draw a rectangle shape to draw the door. Here, we draw a square shape to draw the window. Then, we divide it. Circle shape. Now, it's time to coloring. We use red color to color the roof, the top of the house. This is yellow color. Here, we use yellow color to color the wall of the house. Walls keep us safe inside the house. The walls hold up the roof. Walls can be painted many colors. We can put pictures and posters on the walls. Walls make our house into different rooms. Yellow color. Blue color. color. Purple color. Pink color. Green color. Pink color. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.